There are some people who ask whether they can use ash to immunize their seeds before planting. Using ash may not be the best thing to do. Ash is used when you don't have the medication to use, but it does not work as well as the medication. You can spread them on a sack after removing them from the water the next morning to allow them to get drenched so that they can dry off. All you're looking for is them to be able to be separated, not sticking to each other. To remove them nicely, you can get that sack and then pour the whole mixture on top of the sack, which will drain the water out and leaving your seeds on top. Then after that you can spread them on that sack and then just give them exposure to sunlight just for a little bit. And when you realize that you can put them together without them sticking to each other, they can easily spread one by one. Then you can go and plant your bed.